Hi friends, welcome back into this new video tutorial with OSP Pro. This video is mainly for OSP online school or courses, whereby it's a complete beginner's video. Now previously I explained to you guys some few on what is programming and a little bit of that. I just have some few contents to let you guys know here what really C is and how we're going to get started with it. Now remember this, what I have to let you know that C is mainly is a highly potential and used for scripting up system application which maybe form a major part of the Unix, and that's what I actually happened to explain to you guys on the previous video. C is also used in Linux operating system. C is a general purpose programming language and can efficiently work on enterprise applications like in game development, the graphics, and even in the application requirement calculation. So C is a very good, powerful programming language. Like previously, I might have happened to say to you that with the C programming, you can definitely come up with embedded system. And I think you can even see they joined the C with the Python to come up with something called Python, which is used in actually in the development of the Linux operating system. Now I don't want to go into that now yet for you guys because I know you have a long way to go. Now to break the story short, let's just dive in and get to know what's C. Now, like I've told you guys, we're gonna do something called installation of C into our computer. Like I've told you, C is a compiler language, and for it being a compiler language, you need to download something called the compiler that we shall be using in our computer. You can either download the compiler manual, or you can just go and download an editor, which I'm going to break that now. I remember telling a compiler is like a software that enables us pick this C and turn our source code into something called an executable file which will run in people's computer. And then the source code is that statement, is those text that you're going to be writing down. That's the text, that's the source code. And an editor is where we're going to be writing up down the source code. Now to break the story short, to cut everything well for you, we need to download an editor that will be in a position to give us a chance to write our source code. And in the other way around still, this editor should be having ability to compile. You get that implies in simple term, we need an editor that has ability to enable us to write the source code and also to compile it. Now, examples of editors that actually has that ability, one of them is something called Dev++. Dev++ is an editor we use in C programming and enables us, it has a compiler inbuilt in it. The compiler for C is W-Wing CC is actually inbuilt in it. So you either download Dev++, just go to your Google and just say dev-c++ free download. Okay? When you try to do that, you can specify Windows or which operating system you're going to be using. But if you're using Macintosh, I think you just need to download up the Dev++, the other binary. You need to download something called CodeBlocks. So we also have CodeBlocks, and we have CodeBlocks you can download for different versions. We have for Windows, we have for Android, we have for Kali Linux, we have for Ubuntu. So it will depend on which operating system you're really looking onto at the moment. So on the other way around, I don't want to take a lot of time, my friends. Let me just dive in. So I'm going to be I'll be using with you guys Dev++, but you can also download something called CodeBlocks. So download CodeBlocks, just type CodeBlocks like that, and then CodeBlocks download, which will take you straight to the download page like this. So you can just right click and just open it up in the new window button. And then also have setup here, you can just click on it, and then we shall be in position to download Dev+ CodeBlocks. So as that process is going on, I don't want to take a lot of time because I already explained you guys previously. So I'm going to put this on the video description where you guys can get CodeBlocks from. So just codeblocks.org. I'm going to put the video description so you guys, you'll have it with me on how to download Dev++ now. So this is it. You can just go now straight and specify what you want to download here. We have the zip file, which that the forage file. So I'm most cases I like to use zip file, and this is it. So this download forage file, the rest. So you can also see here down we have the one for Linux, like I've said to you guys. We have different operating systems, so you guys can specify basic. And the one for Macintosh, oh you guys, you're lucky, we also have one here. So you can go on down, and then this is, so my friends, I'm going to make sure this kind of the URL, I'm going to give it to you, so you guys can go on and have that with you ready with us. So on the other one around, you guys are using Windows, I'm using Windows 10, so you can definitely go on. I like to use you can go for setup straight away. No setup, you have wing this. So this is very, very good. Make sure you have something like this. You get? Yes, have something like that. So you can definitely go back this side. And I like to download the forage for sourceforge.net. So you can click there and then I download it. So you guys should have it downloaded in your PC. And I think you can see it's telling me that's going to start downloading up within just few minutes of time, or within. I'm just going to start on my download, and download is going to start, I hope so. And I think you can see it's having 86 MB. So I think you guys, you should find yours downloading. Now maybe on the other way around, I'm going to be using up Dev++. Now the same thing you do with the Dev++. You just click here to download for you, and you guys, if you have it downloaded, you should have it in your PC. So I wanted to just I just want you guys to just make this a working directory for all of us. So without wasting time, I hope you guys already have that downloaded. So if you have it, I'm going to put the video description, so you guys can be in a position to have that with you. Now this is Dev++. You just need to double click on it in your PC. When you double click on Dev++, you'll have something like this. So I hope the installation should be done with you guys. If you have any problem, please comment down below, so that I don't leave you behind. I don't want to leave anyone behind. Please make sure you comment down below, and then we are happy to, I want, when I'm starting up programming with you guys, you already have the platform set for all of us. So guys, I'm just going to stop down from here. I'm going to put the videos online. I'm going to put for you guys the video description where you can download Dev++, where you can download CodeBlocks, and we also have other more editors that maybe you can decide to use apart from these ones. Maybe you guys, you're eager for maybe to use, there's another one called Taboo, which Taboo++ is also another editor. It's also good. And if I try to click there, I'm going to make sure I put all those editors for you guys on the video description. You get? I also have C-Free, which is also C-Free Dev++. Actually, just C-Free download, free download. So I'm also going to put that in our video description. And I also have another one called Bolan, but that will be too much for you now. So all of those things I'm going to be putting it in the video description, so that you guys, you can have all those platforms. So I don't know which you would like to use, but I'll make sure I make videos in all of them, so that when I'm learning with you C programming, we have all of them with us in our hands. And by the time we are coming up with softwares, we can definitely know when is good for which softwares and which market are we looking onto on the real market. So guys, thank you for watching. Otherwise, I wish you nice time, and please stay safe, and may God bless you. Thank you for now. Love you all.